Good day. This video will show you how to download, install, or set up Small Basic on your PC. So let's get started. So the first thing here, of course, is I will be opening um, yeah, a a web browser, and I will just type in smallbasic.com, and then I will hit enter, and you will be directed to Small Basic website. So this is it, Small Basic, and yes, Microsoft Small Basic, and then there is a download button here. So you will just click this one, and the download will begin. And of course, it depends on, or it is 7 MB only. So this one, of course, to check where is this, we can open this one or show in folder. But if you want to check where all the downloaded files are going or placed, you can go here, click this three vertical lines here, vertical dots here, and then you can click on um let's see, click with settings, right? And then go for advanced. By the way, I'm working with Google Chrome, okay? So if you're using another version of Explorer or another version of web browser, it is different, okay? So I will be clicking the advanced, and then I'll go to downloads. And here, it says here the location of my downloaded, or the downloaded files will be placed on user Rick Joel Santos and download. All right, so let's check if it's there. And if you don't know, of course, the thing there is here. You can click here and then go in show in folder. Okay, but the thing here is we already know that the document I downloaded was placed on this. Okay, so let's check. I will be pressing Window E. That is a shortcut for um, Windows Explorer. All right, so I will be going to downloads, and there it is. This is the Small Basic. All right, so double click this one or click and hit enter. So I prefer double clicking this one, so I will now double click. Now the installation will begin. It says welcome to Microsoft Small Basic, and this is a simple one. All right, so I just click next, and then it will be asking if you will accept the terms of the license agreement. Yes, I will check this one. Oh, by the way, I forgot to mention, this Small Basic is free. Okay, so this is a free software application for us to use, right? So I will be clicking next, and then this window is actually for where do you want this application to be installed. All right, so I think better if you will leave that way, and I will be clicking next. Okay, and then install, and we have a Small Basic version 1.2. All right, so it is now the installation is now on process. So let's just wait for a moment. Yes, it says, do you want to allow this application? Yes, I will be clicking yes. All right, so it is now installing. So let us just wait. And done. All right, so I will be clicking finish. So let us see. For me, I will be pressing the window button on my keyboard, and then I'll just type Small Basic, and that's it. So this is the application, or this is the Microsoft Small Basic. All right, let's click, and then it is now running. So this is the interface of Small Basic. Thank you very much for watching this video on how to download, install, or set up Small Basic. Thank you. So see you on my next video. Bye.